Hello. How to start Bank Nifty option trading for beginners. So we are going to discuss this here. Hi everyone. Today we are going to be talking about Bank Nifty option trading. Bank Nifty is a popular index in the Indian stock market and offers a great opportunity for traders to make profits. Understanding Bank Nifty options before we dive into trading, it's important to understand what Bank Nifty is and what Bank Nifty options are and how they work. Bank Nifty options are contracts that give you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell the underlying Bank Nifty index at a predetermined price and date. You can use Bank Nifty options for hedging, speculation, or generating income. Choosing the right option strategy. There are several option trading strategies you can use, but it's important to choose the right one for your goals and risk tolerance. Some popular strategies include there are so many options. So I include buying call options for bullish speculation, buying put option for bearish speculation, writing covered call option for income generation, or writing naked call option for more advanced advanced traders with high risk tolerance. Factors consider when trading Bank Nifty options. There are several factors you should consider when trading Bank Nifty options: market trends and volatility, the expiration date of the option, the strike price of the option, and the premium paid for the option. It's important to keep an eye on these factors and adjust your strategy as needed. Tips for successful Bank Nifty option trading. Here are a few tips to help you be successful when trading Bank Nifty options. Have a clear and defined trading plan. Manage your risk with stop loss orders. Stay up to date of market news and trends. Be patient and don't get emotional when trading. Conclusion: Bank Nifty option offer a great opportunity for traders to make profits, but it's important to approach trading with caution and a well-defined strategy. By understanding the basics of Bank Nifty option, choosing the right strategy, and considering key factors, you can increase your chances of success. Good luck.